Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Isaiah Rios. All my hybrid racing stuff came in today, so we're gonna go open and unbox that. I brought it all upstairs already. I just got done feeding the little one with the wife. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, you're excited too? Hybrid racing new parts? Oh yeah. So these are the boxes here. So we're gonna get to unboxing and opening all this stuff. So let's get to it.
Ratchet right now.
All right, here we go, peeps. Got that snipped away. Need some. Still getting over the vid, so I'm like out of breath, but excited at the same time. Babe's excited. Let's get this stuff opened up. This stuff came early too. Like it was supposed to be here tomorrow, and then it came today, and it also got here early in the day. Our packages never get here early in the day. Babe, move that chair over a little bit. Oh, this is about to be lit. All right. Let's see what this is. Oh, I caught this paper. Oops. Okay, this is just everything that I ordered. Let me see. Can you guys see? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Right off the bat, we got awesomeness. Stickers. Stickers, guys. Gotta love stickers. This is gonna go right on the freaking workbench, and maybe some inside the car. I don't know. Let's see. Which box do I want to go through first, babe?
The big one.
The big one?
Always
right.
the big one.
We'll go through the big one first. Careful, mamas. Alright. Alright, so this is a box within a box. Let's do it. Got some hardware. Hardware's always good. Oh, I really was hoping this is the first thing too. Yes, look at that. Check that out, yeah. Check that out. That is the hybrid racing shifter right here. All short throw shifter here. Ooh. This thing is this is gonna look clean in the car. I was super excited for this shift knob to get here. This is nice. Got some hybrid racing hoses. They're upper and lower radiator hoses that you can cut too. You can look right here. You can cut to adjust them to fit what you need to fit. Got these two bad boys. Keep those in the box there. This is for the shift knob as well. This is like, the knob will sit on top of this part. This is for the temp sensor, I believe. This is also for a temp sensor. I didn't know which one I needed, so I got like all the temp sensors, so I'll be sending one of these back. This one is coolant fan switch. You're gonna need that. I'll put that all with the hoses. This is, gotta cut it. I ordered everything through hybrid because it was the easiest to build. I mean, I could have saved a lot of money and, ooh, this is clean, hold on. Another sticker. Yeah, let me show you how clean this is. Look at this packaging. Look at this. Look how clean that is right there. Let's pull this bad boy out. Ooh, that is nice. That is nice. Go ahead, feel that, babe. Yeah. Here, Nana, come feel this. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah? You like it? You like it? Hell yeah. Let's see what this is. I could just read the box, but it's an unboxing. Not everything came today. Like I said, I have the downpipes on back order, and I believe it's the clutch slave cylinder setup for Kswapped. It's also on back order. Those won't get here till May. Stick clutch line. Oh, so the clutch line isn't on back order, or maybe it is. Maybe it's the slave cylinder. I don't know. One of those. I think something with the clutch is on back order, but check it out. Nice and simple. Nothing crazy about it. The packaging for this stuff is really good too, guys. We got KSWAP ground kit. What are you doing? So you didn't have to get these. You could. I definitely could have went with a cheaper way to get these, but you could have made them yourself. But Hybrid Racing had them, and it's all the grounds that you need. I got them. I like the black look of it. I like the way it looked, so I got them. This is conversion wire harness. Okay. All right, guys. So this conversion wire harness here, this is what's gonna go in through the passenger side and out through the driver's side on the inside of the car. This is why we took out the dash and all that stuff, was for this stuff. But they should have really good instructions on how to set this up, so what I've heard. So hopefully it's not too hard for me to do. They come with all the right hardware and clamps that you need. I'm sure there's a YouTube video I will watch to do this because I'm not good at wiring. Next thing is this is the console plate, dust black. So like the cover plate, I think. Alright. This is for the shift. Ooh, clean, very clean. Check that out, guys. That is nice. This cover plate here, very crisp. It's gonna really make everything look nice and simple. Alright, this is shifter mount plate bed. Alright, so this is the mounting plate. I'm not gonna, it's got, okay, yeah, look at that. That is clean right there. Like I said, going black for everything. I think this goes under the car, maybe, I don't know. It might actually mount on the inside, I'm not too sure, but it might go under the car, I don't know. We'll look at it, we'll go more in depth onto it. I'll do research before I install all this stuff. Just tired.
Yeah, more.
Throttle cable, Ben?
Okay.
This is the OEM replacement throttle cable. So I probably could have got this cheaper actually, now that I think about it. Probably would have been cheaper through Honda. But it was part of the swap kit, so I did it. That goes its own little pile. Alright, here goes these big boys. These are shift cables. I'm running a K20A3 trans, but this works for the A2 and the Z1 trans as well. So these are going to be clutch. We took out the shift linkage the other day, so instead of linkage, we get cables now. And these are way easier to install and like mess around with in the long run, because I don't know if you guys ever mess with linkage. Linkage on the Honda ones, at least, there's they have this piece in there called a bitch pin, and it's really hard to get out, and it takes like the longest amount of time to get out. And I did it on my Del Sol that I used to have. All right, that's everything out of this box. Should be just the axles. Ooh, very clean. Get these bad boys.
When you're buying stuff and shit as well.
Check this out, guys. I'm not gonna take it out of the wrapping right now, but it's a whole axle right there. Nice and easy. That is all of the parts that I just unboxed. I'm gonna get to putting all this stuff together, kinda, downstairs, and getting everything organized. I'll make a video for that. But that's all for the unboxing, that's everything. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm out of breath. The vid got me, guys. But I'm gonna get to work on all this stuff downstairs. I gotta bring it all downstairs and get it organized where it needs to go and what needs to be where. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Peace out.